Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. This video is not based on any chapter, any subject or any book. This is based on a daily problem that everyone is having now, because in lockdown everyone started doing workouts, so many of you may have the problem. So this problem is termed as DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. This delayed onset muscle soreness, which is DOMS, is muscle pain that begins after few hours or even few days after workout. So what are its symptoms? So symptoms or stages of DOMS are here. As you can see, I have written day 1, the workout day. When you work out, you lift weight with your hand, the intense workout that you do for your hands, for your leg, for everything that contains muscle, and our body is made of muscle. So the second day you feel tired but slightly okay or strangely okay, that I am okay but my muscles are tired, I feel a little bit lazy. That time, not that kind of lazy that I want to sleep, but lazy that I want to just sit in one place and do my work. Day 3, the pain. You feel incredibly achy and sore. That's DOM, my friends. That DOMS. That is delayed onset muscle soreness. So, how to get relief of that? We have to apply, or we have to do massage with hot water once, then again cold water. I will show some of the steps that you can also do for relieve your hand, mostly hands, where the DOMS occurs, because if you also run for few hours your muscle will recover, but hand is a thing that always does the works rather than the legs in the lockdown. So I'm going to show how to get relief the hand DOMS, hand muscle DOMS. So first you can take very effective thing is you have to take first cold bath, then hot bath. This will at first contract your muscle, then break them. Not like breaking or tearing your muscles, they will break the soreness. So you will feel a little bit, what can I say, pain in your muscle for some days, but after a week or few days your soreness will be over. So now I'm turning the camera and showing that how to do how to get relief of DOMS with some few exercise. So here is how you do exercise or a step to relieve your DOMS. So take your hand like this, place it on the table or a support that you can do it. Now turn your hand 180 degrees like this, and adjust as you are comfortable in. Now do it totally straight. It will be very painful. I mean, when I say painful, it will be very painful to straighten your arm like this. And once you do it, you have to continue it 2 times a day for 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. By doing this you can relieve your DOMS. It will take a week or few days. Another exercise, you put your hand on a wall. I'm showing it as a wall. Think my arm are in 90 degree like this. So like this you hold your wrist with an arm and you go away from your arm. So by that this part of the muscle are stretched and the DOMS is and your muscle is stretched. So that's will be very painful, because I suffered from DOMS 2 times. Yes, 2 times. So like this, hold your arm, go away, and as I showed like this will affect both of your side, this side of the muscle and this side of the muscle. Okay, thank you guys. Live your life for purpose. Bye.